Until now, on my channel, every Android OS I have covered had one common problem. You had to manually install the Android OS. This meant creating a separate partition, copying all the files properly, creating a boot entry, and then many people made mistakes during these steps, resulting in the OS not being installed at all. So, I thought, why not provide you with an Android OS that you can install with just one click, like Prime OS or Remix OS? Meaning, you don't need to copy files or create a boot entry, and everything happens automatically. Let's start the video without wasting any time.
Let's roll.
So, I have now arrived at my PC screen. First of all, you will need three things: an ISO file, Rufus software, and a 4 GB pen drive. If you don't have a pen drive, you can use a memory card. First, insert the pen drive into your PC and then simply open Rufus. Then, drag and drop the ISO file into Rufus and click on the Start button. As soon as you click, the process will start and it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to complete. Alright, the process is now complete and I'll restart the PC and record the rest of the process with a hand cam. Now, you need to access the boot menu on your PC. I have a Dell laptop and its boot menu can be accessed by pressing the F12 key. Yours might be different if you're using a laptop from a different company. After the pen drive boots up, you'll see an interface like this, where you need to choose the first option and press enter. Then, you need to select the partition, ensuring that the partition you select is completely empty. In the next step, select the option Do Not Reformat and press enter. After that, select the Yes option and press enter again. Then, once again, choose the Yes option and press enter. As soon as you press enter, the installation will start, and it will take around 5 to 6 minutes to complete. After the installation is complete, a timer will automatically start, and you must not close this timer. Otherwise, you may encounter booting problems. When this timer completes, your PC will automatically restart, and you'll reach the boot menu of your system, where you can choose to boot into your previous Windows if you wish. However, for now, I'll select the DarkMatter option and press enter. Alright. The installation process of DarkMatter has been launched, and now you have several options in front of you. You need to use the spacebar or arrow keys to select all these options. Just uncheck the second option and the last option, then click on the Continue button. As soon as you press enter, the installation of some additional files will start, and then after it completes, you'll see the DarkMatter loading screen. Once the loading process is done, the OS will install some additional files, which will take a little time to complete. Alright guys, the Pheonix OS Darkmatter edition has been successfully installed, and as you can see, it's incredibly smooth and well optimized. First, let's talk about its features. If you go to the Start menu, you'll find a lot of pre-installed apps, and you'll also find key mapping software here. Speaking of the Android version, just like other OS, you'll get Android 7 here, which is fully compatible with any low-end PC. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is currently connected, meaning you won't encounter any Wi-Fi related issues with this OS. Besides, I also tried some games on this OS, which were working perfectly, and the key mapping was also functioning well in all these games. Another major reason for the good performance is Gearlock, which is pre-installed in this operating system. So far, I haven't tried Free Fire on this OS, but it's possible that if I make the next part of this video, I'll try Free Fire and other games on it as well. Overall, this OS is quite good, and if you don't have an Android phone, you can give this operating system a try. I also tried Pixelab and InShot apps on this OS, and they were working quite well too. I liked this OS quite a lot. Be sure to let me know if you liked it too. Apart from this, if you have any suggestions for the next video topic, you can also comment. And if you're looking for a light version of Windows instead of an Android OS, then click on the video to the right, and I'll meet you there.